Hi guys, welcome back. So we're opening the zelf, the scented one, and like a monkey's Kinder chocolate mini thing. So it's really cute, fishy. So yeah, if you want to purchase one of these, you can get the hippo with it. And the collection of these is bubblegum, mint, strawberry, chocolate, blueberry. So there, and I bought the cupcake one because it's hot. She smells like cupcake, and it means frosty cupcake self par sugary goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and get these things open. Whoa! So it doesn't come with this, but it's So in mine it comes with a leaflet, which is well, so this is the delicious love collection collector's leaflet. Warning: you never give these to 3-year-old children. So the leaflet it says berry butter shy, strawberry vampula, frosty cupcake self, mint Splenda witch self. She's a witch. The mint one's a witch. Bubbly bubblegum self, chocolate self, and you just, if you see like we square right there, we square, you mark off there. So my sister's going to get results really heavy.
It's all there, one chicken fillet burger with cheese, mayonnaise on it. Okay. That's with the mayo on it. One cheese burger, fully dressed.
Can I have that Rachel inside the glass?
Yes. Okay.
And I haven't said mine yet. We're going to do them together. And series mine. Head nearly pops off. In mine, I got a monkey. And many candles. So this is a quick close-up on my zelf. So this is what she looks like. She's white with pink. It's so cute. My favourite part to say about her is her eyebrows. It's frosty thing. And with her, always comes with a wee piece. So mine comes with a frosty thing. So I'll just set her into it and I'll show you what. Oh, so just pop her in, and this is my zelf completed interface. So I'm going to let my sister take over. Have you done yours? Oh right, well that's it for today's video. Bye.